Hello guys. I'm Saif. I have 8 years of experience in SQL Server 2005, 2008, 2008 R2, and 2012. And also I'm a Microsoft certified DBA. Today I'm going to discuss about how to take a backup in maintenance plan in SQL Server 2008 R2. So what I'm going to do, first I have to go to the SQL Server Management Studio. So where is it? It is in start. Yep, got it. It's SQL Server Management Studio. Now I have to connect um, any instance, any server. So in my computer, I have a lot of instance here. So from this instance, I'm gonna connect uh, pro server. And I'm going to use the authentication. Okay, it's authentication, SQL Server authentication, or Windows authentication, anyone you can use. Okay, I'm going to connect this. Now I connect my SQL Server, Pro Server. So in the database section, first I have to see like how many database I have and which one I want to take backup. So in here, these are the system database, and I create this database is D tag, info tag, integration SSIS, IT tag, and command. And out of this, like 5 database, and also one is performance. So like out of 6 database, oh no, sorry, it's 7 database. 4 database is in mirroring session. You see here the info tag is principal synchronize. That means it's in mirroring session, and also the IT tag and also the principal synchronization, blah blah blah. So now what I'm gonna do, okay, I'm going to take a backup maintenance plan. For the backup maintenance plan, we have to go the management sections. If you click on the left of the management, then you will see the maintenance plan. So I got the maintenance plan. Under the maintenance plan there is nothing. Just check the SQL agent, just good job. There's no job for the maintenance plan. So let's go. Let's create the maintenance plan. So now I'm going to create a maintenance plan. So just right click on the maintenance plan, and it's a new maintenance plan, and another one is the maintenance plan wizard. Today we're gonna start with the maintenance plan wizard because we'll get some options there. Then we have to click some couple of just it needs couple of clicks. And if you click on the new maintenance plan, then you have to work with like it's a one kind of manual things. Like it's if you work with the SSIS, then you can work with this. So we're gonna do it later with the new maintenance plan. Right now, today we're gonna work with the maintenance plan wizard. So I just click on the maintenance plan wizard, and from this window I'm gonna click on next, and then it shows the select plan properties. From the select plan properties, name and descriptions, and here you can give a meaningful name of the maintenance plan, like maintenance plan backup. And then in here you see here it says separate schedule for each task and single schedule for the entire plan, or no schedule, but I want to make a schedule. So that's why I'm gonna click on separate schedule for each task. Separate schedule for each task, and then I'm gonna click next, and then from here. So what's my plan? My plan is I wanna take a backup. What kind of backup? I wanna take full backup. I wanna take differential backup, and I wanna take transaction backup. And all these three backup, I wanna I have a plan to make it a schedule. So first just click backup database full, backup database differential, and backup database transaction log, and then just simply click next. In here it shows these three things whatever I clicked before. So this backup, the first one is the backup database full, so we have to take a full backup. So now I'm gonna do a full backup configurations, then I'm just simply click next. It shows here the backup in the top. It shows the defined backup database full. So now we are going to work with full backup, and we are going to configure the full backup. Okay, so from these, the database, it shows the select one or more. Okay, we just click, and then I have a 1 2 3 4 4 options, and this database is the default options. So what will be the all database? That means if you click the all database, that means you select the system database and also the database which one you created before, which one you created. So and this one is only the system database, and if you select this one, that means just you can work with your created database, like whatever you create you can work with this. It's excluding with the master model, MSDB, and TempDB. That means system database. It's about the system database. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm going to select these database sections, because if I click here, then I can see the which database I wanna work. Like if I have like 50 database, I don't want to take the 50 database backup right now or in my real field. So I want to work with some selective database. So which one I'm gonna select? For example, I want to take DTAG, I want to take integration, and I want to take common. Okay, just three database. I just took three database. Ignore database where the state is not online. I'm gonna click here. Okay, so in here it says backup set expire. So if you click the backup set expire, that means after 14 days or 13 days or 10 days, whatever you assign here, the database is gonna be expire after 5 days or 8 days or 10 days. But actually I don't wanna expire my database. That's why I just check out this check mark from backup set will expire. So in the backup 2, by default it selected disk options, but if you wanna take a backup in tab, then you have to select the tab. But I don't have any tab, so I wanna take it in a disk. So in the disk, what is the disk? Disk means in your hard drive. So you can take a backup in your local machine hard drive, or you can take backup in your network machines, like network server. And in here, whenever you select the disk and the other options in the down, there's backup database across one or more files. Then you can add, and you can add the file name where I wanna save my backup, like it's the destination, backup destinations. And if you have a like backup device, like I have a like a lot of backup device, if you wanna backup the database in this drive, backup drive device, then you can select from here. But I don't want anyone from this, because we know about this, we already work with these options, but the other options we never work. So I'm gonna work with this, create a backup file for every database, and I want to select these options, create a subdirectory for each database. That means it will create individually, it will create a folder for each database. That means I select 3 database, it will create a 3 folder in my backup destination. So I have to create a folder, or I have to select a path for my destination. It would be my local machine, it would be my um, network machine, network server. So what I'm gonna do, mm, you know guys, I already created a folder in my network server. So now I'm gonna I'm gonna copy the link from my I'm gonna put here the network path in the folder options. In here you see this is the local path, but I don't want to use the local path because I want to save this backup in my server, network server. So I need a network path. So how I will get a network path? So you have to, but if you have a network machines, then you have to know the network machine's IP address. But I know my network machine's IP address. My network machine's IP address is 192.168.1.3. So now I'm going to the run options, and from here first I want to check, I want to ping my server, my network server is currently working or not. So let's type ping 192.168.1.3 and then ping it. Oh, sorry guys, I make a mistake again. Ping 192.168.1.3. yes, it's ping. So my network server is working. So now I'm going to my destination folder. How I can go there? If you put the backslash, double backslash, and then 192.168.1.3. in here you see here is a lot of folders because I created this folder before, but I don't want to use all this folder. I don't need to use all this folder. I need which folder, which one I create for the maintenance plan. So you guys can see MNT plan backup. Yeah, the MNT plan, this MNT, not the main this is the maintenance plan backup. I create this folder, so I wanna click, double click, and then you guys see here the in the address bar it shows the path. So how you can copy the path? You can right click on here and you can just click on copy address, then it's gonna copy. Or you can, if you wanna see how it looked like, then you can click on edit address and then just copy. Okay, I'm gonna minimize this one. I already get my network path. So I wanna put here my network path. Okay, and I have to do one thing. Just give me 1 second. I wanna for the certificate, CRTIFICAT certificate. I'm gonna share it. Why is not taking? Okay. Okay, I already get my network path, and now and the backup file extension. The backup file extension by default it comes BAK back. That means the backup, because I'm taking the full backup. For the full backup, the extension should be dot back. So this is the back. Okay, now I'm gonna check mark on verify backup integrity, because it will check the others database or the metadata. Okay, set backup compressions. In from here, if you click here in the drop down menu, from the drop down menu you can select the compression backup. If you wanna, you can make it compress, do not compress backup, or use the default. I'm gonna use the default server setting. So the key thing is here. See, the key thing is here, because my plan is that I want to make a schedule, because we can take a backup easily because we did it before, but the thing is, whenever you take a backup, it's a manual thing, like you have to do it by yourself in each and every time whatever you want. But if you make a schedule, it will start automatically. That calls, like it's automation system for backup. So I'm gonna make it automatic. So I have to make schedule. So for the schedule I have to click on change, and then you can give here the name, the maintenance plan. This is the job name, so whatever you want you can put it here. Like I wanna put it here, okay, maintenance plan underscore backup. It's nice name, but I wanna delete some from here. I wanna put underscore database full. That means it will show like it's a full backup. Okay, from the schedule type, in here start automatically when SQL Server agent starts. That means whenever your SQL Server agent is stop, this time is not gonna take any backup. Whenever it start, the SQL Server agent is start, the backup will the database will take a backup. And the other one is the start whenever the CPUs becomes idle. That means the backup will be happen whenever the CPU is idle. That means if your CPU is really busy with some other works, then it doesn't gonna take any backup. And recurring, that means if you select this recurring, that means each and every time whatever you make the schedule, it will take the backup anytime. So I'm gonna select this one. And the frequency occurs weekly, daily, or monthly. Which one you want? If you click on daily, it will show the daily time. If you click on weekly, then it will show you the all the days, like in which day you take backup, or how many days you take a backup in a week. And another one is monthly. If you wanna take like each and every 1 month, or every 2 month, or every 4 month, or every 5 month, but I'm not gonna do with the month, because I'm going to take a backup daily, because I wanna minimize my risk. So, and recurs every 1 day. Okay, that's good. uh, the thing is, the full backup I wanna take once a day, but the differential backup and the transaction log backup, I want to take several times in a day. So for the differential backup, I want to take like every 2 hours, and transaction log backup I want to take after every 30 minutes, or 45 minutes, or 15 minutes, whatever I want or you want. So but I need the full backup in once a day. It's fine. So occurs once at, or occurs every. So if you want occurs in every, that means in every hour, or every like You can take backup like every days, whatever you want. So I don't need it. Okay. Oh, okay. We can work with like 5 hours. Every 5 hours, I need full backup. But it's huge if you have a like big database like a terabyte or gigabyte database. It's a huge database, so you can like it's a waste of your hard drive. But you have to have a big storage. So yeah, and if your database is a really big database, then you can take a once a day. But now I'm gonna demonstrate. So this is the demo. So that's why I want take okay after every 5 hours. It's fine, no problem. Um, occurs up no. So 3 times. If you put here the 8 hours, so every 8 hours. No, 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 no. So every day I wanna take backup. So now, but I wanna put here the current time because I wanna show you guys. So that's why I need the current time. So it's 1 o'clock and then 27. Okay, I'll put it here like 35. How you think? Yeah, you can do it everything whatever you want, but right now I want to show. So but in your real time you can put here 8 hours or 9 hours is fine, but I know I want to put here like after every 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes I want to take a it's just for the demo, just for the demonstration. Every 5 minutes, not in the real time, in the real field. Okay, and start at 12 and ending at that means in here it shows like the 24 hours. So every 5 minutes of this it will take a full backup, and the duration start date 10/12 2013. Okay, and end date I don't want to put any end date because if you put it here any end date and blah blah blah, blah 22 after this the is gonna be like end, so I don't want any end date. Continue, I want it continuous. So that's pretty much. Yep, yep, occurs every day, every 5 minutes between 12 to okay. I configure correctly whatever I want. Okay, now you can click OK. So what I did basically, yep, detect, double check. Okay, so everything is fine. Then I'm going to click on next. Okay, now the second option comes like the define backup database differential task. So for the differential task, the same way this database detect integration SSIS common this one and okay, and you guys know that the folder options in here I need my network path. You guys already knows I have it, this path, and but the thing is the backup file extension is not gonna be back. For the differential backup the extension should be diff, verify integrity, change schedule, and then here you can make it's a differential. So the job name I'm giving the meaningful name underscore database differential. So if I see this one, then I can easily understand like this is the differential job, and I wanna daily. I want to get it once occurs every 4 minutes. I want to see. Okay, every 4 minutes. Before I put here 5 for the full backup. So for the differential backup I assign like 4 minutes, and then I can see the difference. Okay, and everything is like the same as the default settings, and then now click OK, and then next. Now this database, select one or more the same way. I want to select which one, detect, integration exercise, and common, and click OK and OK. And then I need to select this one, and then I need my network path where I wanna take backup, my destination folder path. Okay, this is the network destination folder path, so that's why I put here the /192.168.1.3. you guys already know. And the backup file extension trn, it automatically comes here. The transition log, for the transition log backup extension is trn. And verify integrity, same as before. And okay, now change the schedule, and same thing, the job name. Okay, backup underscore database transaction log. The schedule the schedule type is recurring, and frequency occurs in every no, it's daily, and occurs once at, no, not once at, it's occurs every, like I wanna take several times in a day. So in here I wanna take it every 3 minutes, and the others is the default settings. It's okay. And then we're gonna click on next. So it says the write a report to a text file. Write a report to a text file. So you can put here the destination folder or whatever, where you wanna put the report, or you can uncheck it. I don't need any report. Okay, then next, and then finish. Yes, all fibers success. So close. Now I'm gonna check. So see here, see, you have a plan. The maintenance plan backup subplan 1, backup subplan 2, and subplan 3. So we can check, but it will take time because I assign 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 3 minutes. Let's see. It's not created. It will take time. So what should I do? Just close it, wait some couple of minutes. Okay guys, I'll be back. I'm going to resume. I'm going to pause this video because whenever the backup will come, then I'll come back again. Now we can see backup, the destination backup folder. So now I'm going to the destination folder, MNT plan backup, and here say, oh, this is the another folder. I don't delete it. The DTAC integrations, SSIS, and common, these 3 database is create a individual folder. So if you go the DTAC, and you see here is a lot of backup, like every 2 minutes or 3 minutes. How you can know, like every 3 or 4 or 5 minutes? The dot back file is the full backup, diff, this differential backup, and this is the transaction log backup. So what time it takes, like dtag backup 2013 10 12, that means the date is 12 and the time is 1 o'clock 135 135. So after this, and this one is 136, this one is 136, and after that it takes 139 transaction log differential 140. So after 4 minutes and after 3 minutes the transaction log, again it takes the back file after, see, I put over there, like in the schedule sections I put 5 minutes after every 5 minutes, so it's 135, that means 1 o'clock 35 minutes. Now it's 140, that means after 5 minutes, sorry, after 5 minutes, see here 140. So it's a lot of backup. It's keep going, it's just keep taking. So whenever anybody delayed any data, like for example now my current time is 2:05, if somebody delayed the database, the common, for example somebody delayed this database common, so how I can recover? So I know it's 2:05, the before that 2:05 I can take that backup and I can restore the full backup and transactional backup or differential backup. So this is the easiest way you can take. So that's all. Thank you very much.